Good morning, my dear friends. Today we are going to discuss very important and easiest problem from operations research, particularly game theory. So let us take an example using dominance, solve the game. So player B, player A, player B which is in the column side, player A which is in the row sides. So we are given four columns and four rows. It is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay. So before we are going to proceed this problem, we have to you have to share this video to your friends and give a like symbol and also give a subscriber, isn't it? Okay, thank you. Okay, let us proceed. So in this model we need only 2 by 2. Okay, please remember before we are going to proceed this problem. So whatever may be row side column side we are given, but we need only 2 by 2, two rows and two columns. So if we are given more than two rows two columns, any one of the method we have to apply to reduce the matrix into 2 by 2. Okay, one of the method is called a dominance. So that is we are given. So we are given 4 by 4. So we have to reduce the matrix using dominance rule. So one of the rule, row wise eliminate smallest row. So row wise we are going to check A1, A2, A3, A4. So after checking the rows, which row is very least values, so we have to eliminate. Similarly, column side we have to check all the columns, which is the largest column we have to eliminate. So please remember guys, row wise minimum row, column wise maximum column, isn't it? So each row compared with each rows. Similarly, each columns compared with each columns, isn't it? Okay, and the next one. So b1, b2, b3 we are given. So check the row, I mean compare a1 and a3. Check one, we can check it. So first element from the a1 3, from a3 4. So I think a1 is smallest element. Okay, and then 2 2, the same row we have to check a1 as well as a3. Row wise we have to check first element 3 4. So 3 is the least value, lies on a1. So we have to conclude that a1 is a least value row, isn't it? Similarly, second value 2 2. So remain a1 is, or still a1 is smallest. Third value 4 4, it is also keep a1 as smallest. Last one, here 3, there is 0. So we can conclude that a1 has all the elements smallest value than a3, so that a1 has eliminated, isn't it? So please remember, already we have seen the rule, row wise smallest row, column wise maximum largest column. So here a1 has eliminated due to smallest values. Okay, now the row after eliminating a1, row side there are three rows only, a2, a3, a4. Keep b1, b2, b3 and b4 as it is. Column wise there is no change, only row wise. Okay, compare column wise, b1, b3. So very first value 3, in b3 2. So b1 is largest, and then 4 4 equal value, remain b1 as largest. Last value 0 0, remain b1 as the largest value. So already we know the rule. So b1 has maximum values than b3, so that b1 is eliminated. Okay, and then after eliminating b1, the row side, I mean column side becomes b2, b3, b4, a2, a3, a4, 3 by 3. After substituting dominance, so the matrix become 3 by 3. So again I am going to check. Okay, row column base b2 and b4. The first element b4 4 4 equal. Okay, we cannot conclude which is the largest. And go to the second 2 3. So b4 largest, 4 8. So definitely confirmly b4 is the largest. So we can eliminate b4. And then after eliminating b4, the column side b2, b3 remains, and the row side there is no change, a2, a3, a4. Now go to row wise checking, which is the smallest row, that is a2, a4. So I'm going to check. I think a4 is the smallest row, so that it can be eliminated. So now we have b2, b3, it is fixed. Similarly, row side a2 and a3. So these are the four values we are needed. It is a 2 by 2 required matrix, isn't it? Already we have I have told, isn't it? So from that A114, A122, A212 and A224. So go to the formula. We are going to calculate strategies for A and B. Similarly, value of the game. These are the three things. For strategy, go to the row side. A2 is available, so that the respective mm, strategy is P2. P2 is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Just substitute the value, we got 1 by 2. So another a row is A3, so that due to that we can take another strategy P3. Okay, 1 minus P2 is equal to 1 by 2. So the strategy for P2 and P3 same value, that is 1 by 2. Similarly, find Q1, column wise the strategy, okay, for B. So using the formula, Q2 equal to A22 minus A12 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. So just substitute the value again. So Q2 also 1 by 2, and then Q3 is equal to 1 minus Q2 equal to 1 by 2. Now I'm going to write the strategy for A. SA represents strategy for A. Write all the rows A1, A2, A3, A4 in the horizontal manner, not vertical manner, horizontal manner we can write. So the respective strategies are P1, P2, P3, P4. So we have only P2, P3. So that 1 by 2, 1 by 2, other will be 0. So this is the strategy for A. Similarly, we can write the strategy for B. B1, B2, B3, B4. It is also horizontal formation. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, the respective strategies. So Q2, Q3 only existed, other B1, B4 not existed, so that it becomes 0. Now go to the conclusion part, that is value of the game, using the formula A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus of A21 plus A12. Just substitute the values, we got 12 by 4. So 12 by 4 simplify, it is 3. So this is the value of the game. Okay, my dear friends. So if you have any doubt, put it in the chat box. Thank you.